Price TV. Subscribe now.
The 2018 Nissan Leaf is enhanced all-around, finished its matured ancestor. It's better glimpsed, more pleasant inside, and has more power and battery run, at a moderately reasonable cost. The 2018 Nissan Leaf is a restyled form of the world's top-of-the-line electric auto. This year it embraces new plans for the outside and inside, more battery extent, a large group of dynamic well-being highlights, and a cost somewhat lower than a year ago's model. The vigorously modified electric auto comes in 3 trim levels: base Leaf S, mid-level Leaf SV, and top-notch Leaf SL. The 2018 Leaf tones down its shape and wears impressively more ordinary sheet metal. The minimized 5 entryway hatchback now shares numerous styling signals with other late Nissan outlines. Just the attachment port entryway on the nose and the mushroom-molded push selector inside give away its electric drivetrain, and that will probably interest numerous purchasers killed by the past auto's particular, polarizing looks. Generally, we score the 2018 Nissan Leaf at 7.0 out of 10 focuses, impressively higher than its maturing forerunner. The new Leaf picks up focuses in basically every classification, and with a range that is twofold that of the initial 2011 Leaf, it ought to be considered by a more extensive swath of purchasers. This score could rise if the 2018 Leaf does well on crash security test rankings from the Nissan. We consider Nissan's 2018 Leaf a solid contender as a handy electric auto that is nearly $7,000 less expensive than the more drawn-out range Chevrolet Bolt F. Different contenders including the Ford Focus Electric, Hyundai Ioniq Electric, and Volkswagen e-Golf have less range, 114 to 125 miles, and are sold just in restricted territories of the US like the Bolt EV. The Leaf is accessible across the country. For the individuals who require more range, a 2019 model with 200 miles or a greater amount of appraised run has just been guaranteed. As it may be, Nissan is propelling the Leaf into a blank area between the 125-mile e-Golf, at about a similar cost, and the more costly 238-mile Bolt F,